How to wrap text around a circle or on a path in Adobe Illustrator. Hello, my name is Vincent Annie. Let me quickly show you how to wrap text on a circle just like this. The first thing to do is to create a circle. Click here to remove the fill and increase the stroke size. To enable us to easily create the text that will be on the lower arc, copy the circle and paste in place. Click and hold down the text tool, then select Type on a path. Ensure your cursor is positioned on the path before you click, otherwise you will receive this error message. Type in the message that will be on the upper arc. Use these two small boxes to control the position of your text. Select the direct selection tool. Hover until you see this arrow. Click and pull in the direction of the arrow. Align the two boxes in the opposite direction and center your text within that border. Transform your text accordingly. Go to Object and lock the upper text. Pick the text tool again. Click on the path and type the text that will be on the lower arc. Adjust the position on the text. The text is upside down. Double-click the text on the path tool. Check the preview and flip. Adjust the baseline. That's the one. But there is a gap between the text and the baseline. To close this gap, click here. And set the baseline shift to 7 or 8. Perfect. Transform your text accordingly. Unlock all and transform the text on the upper arc. You can add a circle in the middle if you wish. If you'd like to know how this entire logo was created, please drop a comment in the comment section. Also subscribe and ring the bell so you get a notification whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much for checking in, and I will see you in the next video.